So in this Fiverr tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to become a freelancer on Fiverr.com. So when you open up Fiverr.com, your screen may look like this. If you want to become a freelancer, you want to become a seller, you actually want to be on the platform, simply just scroll all the way down to the bottom to where it says for freelancers right here, and then where it says become a Fiverr freelancer, go ahead and select this option. It'll then redirect you to this screen right here where you can go ahead and actually create your profile. You can also go ahead and check it out further if you want, but if this looks good to you, go ahead and press on create your profile. Then on this page right here, there's two different options. You can go ahead and upload your experience. So you can go ahead here, go to your profile picture on LinkedIn. You can save it as a PDF. So if you're an actual freelancer and you have an account set up, basically like you have a brand for yourself, this may be the quicker alternative for you. But if you're not really too sure what that looks like, or if you just want to fill it out manually, go ahead and select this option right here. It's going to take you a little bit longer, but it'll also get you to the same result. So once you're on this page right here, you have to go ahead and edit your new profile picture. So you have to go ahead and add your display name. You have to go ahead and add your title, your language, share some things about you, your skills and expertise, some work experience, educational experience, certifications. So if we're just filling this out as an example, I can go ahead and just name myself name, title. I'll just go voice over artist as an example. You can add your language if you want. So I speak English. I'll go ahead and add English right there. Actually, you can go ahead and I'll press English again, and I'll make the level, native, fluent, whatever the case may be. So once that's done, you can go ahead and share some things about yourself. So I am a voiceover artist. That's your example. Minimum 150 characters, so if I just wanted to spam this a bunch of times, maybe this will work. Whoops, did not mean to open up that. There you go. Characters like that. Skills and expertise. If I were to go ahead here and add some skills and expertise, I can go ahead and voice over. That can be a skill. It's going to go ahead and search for that. Basically, it's going to go ahead and add some skills. So I can say pro. You can go ahead and just say voice. I don't know. Funny voice. Sure. I'll add that as a skill. Work experience is optional, so I'll leave it. Same with educational background and certifications. Once this is done, press continue. It'll then ask you if you're part of a team. In this case, I'm not. I'm independent, so I'll go ahead and press no. And then where it says you have a portfolio or a website, this won't be shared publicly. You can go ahead and share this if you want. And if you don't want to, you can go ahead and just press continue. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and basically begin. It's official. You're Fiverr's newest freelancer. Now it's time to join Seller Plus Kickstart. So this is a program if you want to join that. But if you don't want to join that, you can go ahead and press create a gig. So now once you're here, you're ready to land your first order. So if you just want to go ahead here and just wait right here, you can actually go ahead and post your first order here. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You guys get the hang of it by now, but that's how you guys can become a freelancer on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.